In Filipino culture, financial support becomes an expression of love and shared responsibility. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa pera, ito ay tungkol sa pag-aalaga at pagtiyak na walang maiiwan. We call it bayanihan. Bayanihan is an essential part of Filipino culture. This word, rooted in community spirit, goes beyond just helping. It reflects a collective effort, especially in times of need. Ito ay isang kolektibong pagsusumikap, lalo na sa oras ng pangangailangan. One of the best ways bayanihan manifests is through family financial support. In many Filipino families, when one person is in financial distress, everyone steps up, mula sa school fees, medical bills, o kaya pampuhunan. Laging nandyan ang pamilya para tumulong. Minsan pa nga kahit sa mga kaibigang nangangailangan. In today's world, these values continue to thrive, shaping how Filipino families handle financial challenges. Isang magandang paalala ng lakas na nagmumula sa pagkakaisa at sama-sama.